Okay, you guys, I don't know the last time I've been this excited about opening a package. It's been a while. I have been eyeing this brand for years and I have been dying to get my hands on one of these. Today, just in the mail, I got a Louise Carmen, and I actually have been having this pretty intense need and want and desire. I guess desire is the word, to simplify my leather collection and my covers and just my whole office in general. And instead of having 20 of mediocre leathers, having one or two that I just love. And so I decided, after a long time of sitting on this, to invest in a Louise Carmen. I sold some of my items and I decided as soon as I sold enough to buy one of these, I would. And so if you don't know, Louise Carmen is a leather company that specializes in those trifold leathers. They're hugely popular on TikTok, and I feel like now I'm starting to see them all over Instagram. People are doing DIYs, and honestly, I'm pretty crafty, so I'm kind of tempted to do a DIY too, but I wanted to get the real thing so that I could have one to compare it to. And I have been obsessed with the red Louise Carmen for a couple, I don't know, probably a year. This has been like on my bucket list of things to buy. So it is very splurgy for me. I know that not everyone will think this is worth it, but I'm just a planner and a journal lover. I knew that if I didn't get one, that I would just always want one. So I just wanted one. This is definitely not a need. This is a want. And I'm just so excited. I'm so excited. So here goes nothing. So the box, I will say that it comes in, is just as flimsy as can be. Like, there's no tape on it. It feels like not very substantial. So in here, you get the newspaper from Louise Carmen. It shows you inside. I've watched so many of these hauls. I already know what it all is, but it shows you all the different options that you can get. The bespoke service where you can actually like get engravings on and different things. There's cutouts you can keep, and it shows you ideas of what you can do in your notebooks, the charms and different things that you can get. And yeah. So that is really fun. And then this, I'm so excited. I'm going to just actually pull this out of here. Ooh, maybe not. Once I was watching one of these hauls, and there was a spider, like a live spider in her box, probably because they don't tape it. I kind of want to save the sticker. Oh, I'm just destroying it. Oh, I destroyed it. Well, I won't be saving the sticker. So the big reveal, I kind of already spoiled it. You get a little certificate of authenticity. There's a little card that I think it's talking about the packaging. And then here is the bag that I chose. I love it so much. When I ordered, there was 3 different options. There was like a pineapple one, a palm tree-ish one, and then this one. And I will apologize for the lighting. I normally would wait until the lighting's good outside, but it's like almost dark. It's 6 p.m. and I'm having to use fake lights because I just couldn't wait. I got the Honoré. I've also heard it called Honore or Honore. I've heard it pronounced all those ways. So French speakers, I'm really sorry. I hear Honoré the most, and so that's what I'm going to say. So I got this, is it like moth and butterflies cover on here? And then it feels like kind of almost silky. This leather feels so soft. And I got the red. Oh, it's so beautiful. If you didn't know, yellow is my favorite color. So I got this yellow charm on here. And then I got my initials engraved in gold. And then on the side here, I have the little fish. I don't know. I just thought it looked French. Don't ask me why. And then the lemon. Lemons are like my favorite thing. Maybe because they're yellow. I decorate my kitchen in lemons, and I just think it's so cute. So up close, there's the 2 charms I got in there, and the yellow front charm, which is so beautiful. This leather is luxurious. Like, it feels so soft, and it's beautiful. Okay, so I was trying to decide between the roadbook and the Honoré, and the roadbook, they're both the same size. They fit the same size books, I should say. But let me show you the difference inside. So when I was trying to decide what I wanted from Louise Carmen, I knew I wanted this size, which this is their medium size, and there are maybe three different options you can get. One has 2 strings, so it can hold 2 books. This one has 4 strings, so it can hold 4 books. And the roadbook has 6 strings, so it can hold 6 books. And the reason I chose the Honoré, well, there's 2 reasons actually. I actually don't love a super thick book. I find it really hard to write in when it gets thick. I like mine to be thinner. I could go a little thicker than this, but I wouldn't want it, super, super thick. I find that when you're actually like trying to write in your books, it just is so hard. I know some people don't feel that way. Some people love a chunky book. I'm just not one of those. But the other reason I did was because the road book, even though it fits more books, and also the strings on a Louise Carmen are attached on the back instead of the side. But anyway, the Honoré, even though it has fewer strings on the inside, is actually longer this way. So if you have thicker books, this has a lot more space to fatten up. And I would rather have this not be able, I've seen the road book where people have chunked it up and it can't close. It'll be like that. And this one just has a lot of room to grow in with the way that it overlaps. So beautiful leather work here. Another thing about the Honoré is that it has a pocket in the back. And you can see the cute little flag. This flag is in different places for everyone's. I love it when it's on the outside here. Sometimes it is. Mine is on the pocket, which is a little bit of a bummer, but that's okay. They do stamp their logo here, and then you have this great pocket in the back. And then this here is a pen loop, which looks really small, but I've seen people put really thick, and I can't get anything in it. There it goes. I've seen people put really thick. You can see it stretches really good. I've seen people put really thick pens in there. So it has a pen holder. So that's the reason I got an Honoré. And then it comes with 2 books. I got 2 different dot grid books. This is very creamy paper. It is definitely not white. I've heard people like complain about these books too, that they don't lay flat, but I think if you bent them backwards, I would think they would. I love the black covers on them. And that is the beautiful Honoré and my initials down there. Just a gorgeous book. When I was trying to decide on which trifold I want, I was really debating between Louise Carmen and Paper Republic. I love Paper Republic's leather. Their leather, it's very utilitarian, stiff. Like, I don't even know if I would say stiff, but it's definitely is like a thicker leather than this. This feels like almost velvety on the inside and just beautifully soft leather on the outside. So I have also seen how beautiful this really patinas, and I'm sure it will get like scratches and it will deepen as time goes on, but it is just glorious and beautiful. I love it so much. If you are looking between this and the road book is a little bit cheaper than this one. The other one that's this size is called the Organizer, and it has stitching all around, and it has like pockets on the front cover and different things. It has a lot more stuff, but it really can only fit a book or 2. It's quite a bit smaller, and the flaps are much, much smaller, so you really couldn't fatten that one up. But I do love the stitching on it. I was very close to getting that one instead, but I'm so glad I went with this one. It is just stunningly gorgeous. I'm pretty sure that this one I can't remember if I chose this red cord or if it comes with a red cord, but you can choose the cord color as well. The cord feels flimsy. I will say that. I've seen people say that their cords break, which is a little disappointing when these are such expensive books. The charms from Louise Carmen are quite spendy, and I've seen other people say that they get them on eBay or on Etsy or different places, and they can find similar charms for a fraction of the cost. I just wanted to have one that was completely set up. If I do go back and get a different one, I would probably go with like the dark brown and just not do any sort of extras on it. there is my haul from Louise Carmen. I'm going to do a video in the future comparing some different leather covers. So if you are trying to decide what you want and what you want to invest in, I'm going to show a couple different trifolds and then also compare this one to like Traveler's Company, which I love, and Paper Republic. I also have a hand stitched leather tee trifold that will be here. And then I'm going to do a homemade one. So I might do that on camera and we can do a comparison and you can decide what you want. One thing that I really, really love from Louise Carmen is how itty bitty the grommets are. When I see DIYs, that is one thing that I don't love is like the big fat 3mm grommets. I love these 2mm little ones. I think they look so classy and nice. So if I made one, I would probably go this route. I think I heard that they're 2mm. So yes, beautiful, beautiful. I'm so excited. And I will link this down below. I wish I was an affiliate. Definitely not. But if you're interested in picking one up, I will have the information down below, along with a couple places that I have bought charms from for future reference that are quite a bit cheaper than these ones. All right. I hope you have an incredible day, and I will talk to you very soon. See you. Bye.